Hello .NET, this is Data Connectivity and Transformation Part 3 lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn add data sources and data set, delete unwanted data set, use first row as header, then split data into new column or new columns, then remove unwanted rows and columns. Keep watching this video. We have taken a scenario in which we have a raw data. In the raw data, we have unwanted rows and columns. We have the row contain null values. Header is at second row with the errors. First and last name in the same column. There are no air column in the sheet, so we are going to create that one. Email and mobile number in the same column. We are going to transform the data and get accurate, structured and consistent data for data modeling. Let's jump into the tool. This is our Power BI tool. Now here I am going to get a new resource with the help of Excel book, and I have taken this customer raw data Q1 as an Excel book. I'm going to upload it over here, and it will ask us to load or make a transformation with the data inside our data sheet. It will take a few seconds and it will upload. The process of uploading the sheet is depend upon the data, how many data are there in your sheet. So now this is our sheet what we have uploaded right now. This is a customer data and we are getting all the records what is there in our sheet. We need to, if we want to load directly over a Power BI, it will help you with this button, but we need to perform the transformation. Need to click this one. It will jump you into a Power Query editor. This is our Power Query. In the left side, all the data set what we have connected right now, and the right side, what all are the steps we have performed for the transformation. So here we are getting numbers of records which we don't want this time. Numbers of data sets are there. So we can do one thing, we can just right click over there and you will get the option delete. You can delete this one by one, or you can do one more thing, you can select multiple of the data set and delete at once. Select all and delete. Cool. It's deleted all the unwanted data set. Then this is the dataset what we have uploaded on which we are going to perform transformation. Thing, the columns are not in the correct form and our main header is on the second row. Okay, and at the first row null value contained. One more thing, our customer name, last name and first name both are in the same column, which also we want to split into two columns. Here the contact information, email address and mobile numbers, we have to split these two things into two different columns. We have few unwanted columns, like we don't want to show products name here, we have to add other product ID or something here. So, and one more thing, we have data but we require year also to calculate, analyze the data yearly. So we have only date, so we have to find out year, how we can collect year from this column. So this is our raw data on which we are going to perform the transformation. The first thing what I'm going to show you, this is how we can delete unwanted rows. For this we have the transformation in which we can apply the several um, activities on the row level. So keep rows, remove rows. We have these options. Just click on this one and check the options. Remove top rows, remove bottom rows, remove alternate rows, and many more. So here the null value containing in the top row. So we have to remove the top row. We have to select this one. It will ask you how many rows you want to delete from the top. Specify how many rows. Okay, only one row is there which is not in the proper form, so we have to delete that row. Correct. And one more thing, how to delete the unwanted column. Like product is there, so we don't want this product here because product name will be there in the product table. Only foreign key we are going to use here, and here price per unit, total price, and all these things what we are getting here, it is going to into a product table. So here For now I'm going to delete this column. We need to select this one, and we have option remove columns. We can remove the column, and one more option is there, remove other columns. It will keep this one and remove all other columns. So click, you can choose option from here, or you can right click here and remove the column. For now I'm just going to remove this one. Okay, so we have deleted the row in which we are having null value which was on the top, and then we have deleted one column, and all the activities what we have performed while doing the transformation, it is there in right side panel. We have removed top rows, we have removed the column. If you want to revert the change, you just have to click this red icon, click this one, again you will get that row what we have deleted. Okay, so this is the way how we can remove our unwanted rows and columns from our data set. In the header you are getting abc 123 abc. Click this one and you will get this inform you what kind of data type we have stored in this column, particular column. Okay, so a b c and all. If you want to make any changes, you can change it. Okay, like this one is column order id, all are the whole numbers. You can do one thing, you can select this and make the changes. Not this one, sorry, we have to whole number. Okay, few errors are there which we are going to remove, because here the first row what we have made as a whole number contains text. Okay, so we are going to revert the changes, and this is the order id. First what we need to do, we need to make this row as a header. So for that, in the transformation section you will get option use first row as header. Okay, use first row as a header, we have selected, and see we are getting everything on the right track. Order id and customer name, address, everything are there as we require for our visualization for reporting our dashboard or report. Now this time it is showing a123, it is whole number, and for name it is showing character abc. Same thing for this one, and if we scroll this one you will get for date, it is showing a kind of calendar icon. So it is showing that it is a date column. For price it is showing dollar, means it is a we can say it is a currency, it is showing the currency. So for now, what next we have to do, we have to split our first name and last name from this customer name column. Okay, we need to select this column and we have to jump into the transformation. In the transformation section you will get split column. Just click this one and use delimiter. Delimiter means what is the thing which shows you that both are the different one. It may be a comma, it may be a double quotes or space, but for me space. Okay, I am selecting this one and click this one by delimiter. Space is there from left one. Okay, leftmost delimiter, and I'm going to remove this one. Okay, it will split our customer name column into two different columns. In first we are getting the first name, and second last name. We can right click here and rename it, like first name, first name, then right click and last name. Okay, now we have made two columns with the help of one column. We have splitted the information what is there in a single column. And similar thing we have to perform for this column, because in the contact information, email and phone number both are there. For that also same thing we have to do, we have to split column, delimiter. We have to correct, last time we have selected the space because space was there, but right now we are getting comma, and we have to select none. Advanced options are there, you can go through and explore it. We have to select leftmost and okay. So we are getting two columns, contact information 1 and 2. Again we need to rename it, this as a email and second one as a contact number. So we have splitted our single column into two different columns. Then the last one is how we are going to find out years from this date column. So in the add column we have an option like time, date, time, duration. So just need to select this column and go to this one, select year and only year. It will create a new column for year from this date column. So this is the way how we can get a separate column for the year and use inside our reporting and visualization. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in upcoming videos.